In our example, we have monthly sales for the years 2022, 23, and 24. And now we are trying to build a forecast for the years 25, 26, and 27. So the next 3 years. And as you can see, it looks like this is seasonal sales. There are spikes and then drop in sales in certain months. So if you wanted to forecast this, the two of the formulas that we will discuss today are linear forecast and then forecast with exponential smoothing. So start with linear forecast. The formula is forecast period linear, and I believe we can only use the forecast function as well. And then we need the date for, or the period for which we need the forecast, which will be this cell, so 31st January 25. And then known values, known Y's, which will be the sales dollars, comma, and known dates. Now make sure you freeze the cell reference, press F4. This is a linear forecast, so this orange line represents these forecast numbers. So you can clearly see it does not account for the seasonality here. It just looks like it's seeing a slightly downward trend in the actual results. Forecasting with exponential triple smoothing. So the formula is quite similar. The only difference is now you will have forecast period ETS, and again target date, and select the values. This time I'm going to press F4 right now. That's the forecast. Now again copy this formula all the way down, and you see this one now, the second forecast, and let's just delete the linear one for now. So you see the second forecast does take into account the seasonality. This is all Excel looking at our last 3 years data and figuring out a forecast based on the seasonality. Frankly, in practice, this calculation helps, but there is a little bit more thought and effort you have to put into forecasting for future. You probably need to understand the market, all the key drivers that impact the forecast, speak to business, and then come up with a forecast which may be a mix of using Excel formulas and a bit of manual input.